part of the Combating Rose Rosette research that we're doing, one of the things that's being looked at is different cultivars and whether or not they might have resistance, tolerance, or susceptibility to Rose Rosette. At this point, there are no known roses that have resistance, and so that's being investigated in research trials around the country. We're at one of those trials in Perkins, Oklahoma, but there are similar trials that have been done in Tulsa, Oklahoma, Delaware, Tennessee, and also Texas. In these trials, the roses have different cultivars, all different types of roses, hybrid teas, grandifloras, shrub roses, have been planted in replicated trials and then observed for the development of symptoms. So these roses have been in the ground here in Perkins. This is their 4th season. This rose is very susceptible to Rose Rosette, and we can see how disfigured it is by the virus. Whereas the rose that is adjacent to it still appears healthy and normal. And so researchers right now are putting together the results of these trials. So hopefully we will have lists of cultivars that have greater tolerance or susceptibility to this disease. Other research that's being done involves information about the mite, where the mite lives, other arthropods that are associated on the plant that could be used as predators or perhaps to displace the Phylacoptes fructiphilus mite. We're also looking at things like breeding for resistance. All of the results of these trials are going to the project leader, Dr. Dave Byrne at Texas A&M. And in Tennessee, Dr. Mark Wyndham's doing a lot of work looking at different miticides and how effective they are for controlling Rose Rosette. All these works are nearing completion, and the results of those studies are going to be published soon. So look for those updates on the roserosette.org website. There's also a Combating Rose Rosette Facebook page that has some of the most recent information, and then some of it will be published in journals later this year or in future years.